A toolkit with a lot of instruments, torque and a chain tool. Fantastic. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing my new toolkit, the Topeak Ratchet Lite NTX. So let's quickly unpack this one and see what are the tools available in this and where it's going to be useful. So along with this you get a wrench and Allen keys in 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm. You also get a Phillips head screwdriver and 3 torque wrenches which are 10, 15 and 25. On the other side you get a chain tool and a torque measuring kit. In addition to this, there's a little pouch here, so you can actually put a patchless kit inside when you're going for a ride. This toolkit has a ratchet built into it, so it's useful to, when you're tightening or loosening, you don't need to take it off the device. You can just continue doing it like this. And there's a little adjuster here from loosening to tightening. All the tools in this are magnetic and lock into place quite easy. You can put the tool not just here but also on this side. Useful when you just have to finger tighten something. It is useful when it's right here. You just use it and just tighten it and or loosen it easily. And now for the torque measuring tool. So in this torque measuring tool, it measures from 0 all the way up to 6 Newton meters. How is this used? Very simple. Slip this in over here, take the tool that you want, the spanner, and put it in. Now when you're tightening it, you'll have to keep your eye on this or where this is going to point. So when this points to 5, that means that is where that's how much torque is there in this right now. So this can be used to measure how much torque has been applied at the bolt itself. It's not going to cut off, but it's useful to understand how much torque is there so you don't over tighten any of these things. Now let's look at the chain toolkit. So once again, this looks nice and solid. It's not some flimsy little thing, it's quite solid over here. And put the tool in. You can use it to open out any chain that you want. Quite nice and quite a nifty toolkit, and definitely something that a lot of people would find useful. Now let's just take a look at the container itself. So the ratchet is nicely locks into place in a little plastic thing, and it's quite nice. Everything else is in a elasticized little pouch. On the other side, this is again held in by elastic. Not to forget a little pocket here for your patchless puncher kits. So overall this looks quite nice. This Velcro on which it packs, and it holds it quite well. At the back you have a little hoop, which is basically a belt hoop, but again with Velcro, so you don't need to take off your belt to take this off and use it. And this is also useful, it can leave a little gap, so you can actually use it to mount it below your seat or anywhere else on your bike too. So this toolkit is priced at 5,100 rupees, so approximately 5,000 rupees, and in that you get a torque measurer, a chain tool, and this cute little mini ratchet. So this little ratchet is going to be quite useful to help you finish your work sooner. While this is a great kit, I would have liked a little extension tool which is there. It is there in a lot of my other toolkits, and I would rather keep that in this too, because if I have to tighten say a bottle cage on one side it will be easy, on the other side it will become a little difficult. Despite the size and how nifty this is going to be, it will be a little difficult because it's located in a place where it's not easily accessible. So an extension on this would make it that much better. So this is going to be the new toolkit which is added to my collection, and I'm going to be using this right now. So let me actually use it out and see how useful it is, and give you guys a feedback in the future. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.